So you have dry skin and you're looking for body lotions that will moisturize your skin and leave it glowing for a whole day, then you are at the right place. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you and recommending some body lotions to you that will provide your body the moisture and the hydration that it needs. So if this is something that you would want to know, then keep watching. Hi J4s, you're welcome back to my space. This is your girl Jennifer Chris, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you some skincare body lotions that are suitable for dry skin, extra dry skin, ashy skin, and flaky skin. So if you know that you suffer from dry skin, sometimes you have this cut on your skin due to excessive dryness, and you're looking for body lotions that will provide that moisture, that heavy moisture, intensive moisture to your skin, leaving it smooth and glowing, make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'll be giving you guys some I'll be recommending some body lotions to you that will do just that. I am not new to this. I know this skin condition because I personally have a dry skin. I suffer from dry skin. Sometimes the skin on my face could be combination, because I have dry skin, and sometimes my T-zone gets oily, so I have combination skin. But overall on my skin, like my body skin, I have dry skin. So what I do is I gravitate towards products that will provide intensive moisture to my skin. Now, without further ado, let's go straight into today's video. The number one on my list would be this Amlactin body lotion right here. I know some of you must have heard about this body lotion, but you guys, I am especially talking to dry skin girls, dry skin people right now. Do not sleep on this body lotion, you guys. What I have here is the Amlactin body lotion for rough and dry skin. What did I say? For rough and dry skin. All right, so it says here that it's a 12% lactic acid, meaning that this body lotion contains an AHA, which is the lactic acid, and it contains lactic acid in 12%. It's actually a very high percentage, not really like very high percentage that will damage your skin, but is going to be really effective on your skin. Okay, so it says here that it moisturizes and restores skin radiance, it gently exfoliates and deeply hydrates your skin, and it contains fragrance. Okay, so just know that this body lotion is an exfoliating body lotion, and you guys, it is highly moisturizing. Like, this is my number one. I have not seen a more moisturizing lotion than this. This is my number one. Let me show you guys what it is. As you can see, it is thick. Okay, it's not runny, it's thick. Let me show you guys what I mean. Oh my god, this is good. Now I'm going to apply it to my hands so you see exactly what it is. This is a very small portion, but you're going to see how moisturizing this lotion is. Like, oh my god, I don't know how to show you guys this thing. I don't know how to show, but see, it looks like I applied oil to my skin. I don't know if you can see the shine. I don't know if you can see the glow. It looks like I applied oil to my skin. This is the number one on my list. If you know that you have dry skin, go and get this body lotion. This is originally formulated for people with rough and bumpy skin, but I can assure you that if you have dry skin, this will also be a solution to you. The second body lotion on my list would be this lotion from CeraVe. All right, this is the SA Lotion, formulated for rough and bumpy skin. This is also an exfoliating body lotion. Okay, it contains salicylic acid. It's an exfoliating body lotion. It smooths out the skin like crazy. Okay, like, it's so moisturizing and hydrating. I love using this body lotion. I use it majorly at night because it's an exfoliating body lotion. Note that once you're using any exfoliating body lotion, it's going to make your skin sensitive to sunlight, meaning that if you apply it on your skin and go out in the sun, you can develop sunburn from there. Instead of it to make you, smoother and give you a radiant skin, you're going to experience hyperpigmentation because you are using it wrongly. That is why I'm taking my time to explain to you. If you're buying this body lotion for the purpose of hydrating and moisturizing your skin, endeavor to use it at night, okay, at night, and wear a sunscreen in the morning, the next morning when you're going out. This lotion is wonderful. I'm going to do another test on my skin so you know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to apply just a very small portion here, just a little bit. See, it's very thick, it's not runny at all. So I'm just going to do this. Oh my goodness, God, this is just beautiful. You guys, look at this. Look at my hands, smooth, like, I don't know, can you see the glow? Looks like I applied oil, right? Yeah, can you see the glow? Looks like I applied oil. You see these two body lotions, right? When you're using it, there's no point for you to use any body oil. I assure you that once you have these two body lotions, there's no point for you to have any body oil because they contain maximum amounts of body oil and it is highly moisturizing and highly hydrating. Now the third one on my list will be this particular body lotion. This is a vitamin C body lotion. This is this Skin by Zarin vitamin C brightening and moisturizing body lotion. Contains vitamin C, alpha arbutin, collagen, and vitamin E. Okay, so this body lotion promises to brighten your skin and give you a radiant skin, but that's not why we are here. We are here because of the moisturizing properties that it has. I mean that once you apply, this one is finished. This one is completely finished. I would have shown you. Once you apply this body lotion to your skin, it's really moisturizing, really moisturizing. This is also dry girl friendly. Then the fourth one on my list will be this body lotion by Nivea. This Radiant and Beauty Advanced Care, Intense Advanced Care. This one is one of my favorites, you guys. It's one of my favorites. I don't know why. It's highly moisturizing, very affordable, but highly moisturizing. You guys, if you know that you can't get this and you cannot get this because this one is about 38,000 naira to 48,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. It's quite pricey, okay? And if you know you cannot get this and you can get this one should be around 18,000 to 20 something K. It's been long. I bought it last year, so I don't know the current price, but I know it's going to be around 20 something thousand naira thereabouts. Okay, so if you know you cannot lay your hands on this, you can lay your hands on this one should be 16,500 to 18,500, depending on where you're getting it from. This one is quite affordable. So if you know you cannot get those two that I just mentioned, you can get this one. And if you know you cannot get this one, then you should be able to get this one. This one should be one of the cheapest in the market. I mean, should be around 5,500 to 6,500. Can you see how affordable it is? And you guys, trust me, this is highly moisturizing. This one has finished completely, but trust me, I have used it and it is highly moisturizing. This is dry girl friendly, dry skin friendly. If you know you have dry skin and you cannot afford the 3 body lotions I just mentioned, please do yourself a favor and get this one. This one is from Nivea. It is the advanced, as in intense advanced care. Okay, it's made up of 5 oils and 5 vitamins and promises to give you 48 hours long-lasting nourishment. But from my own experience and my own use, it will moisturize your skin for a whole day. That should be enough, because if you have your bath in the morning, you still have your bath in the night. I mean, so this should be enough. This one is also dry girl friendly, and it says here that it is for dry skin. Okay, now the 5th body lotion on this list would be this Disa vitamin C body oil. did I say body oil? Body lotion, you guys. This is the vitamin C by Disa. Okay, it promises to whiten your skin and moisturize your skin after bath. Forget about the whitening parts. I'm here for the moisturizing parts. This is a highly moisturizing body lotion. Trust me, it is really moisturizing. If you know you have dry skin, get your hands on this one. This one is also affordable. You can get it ranging from 5,500 to 6,500, and it's very big. This 480 ml. So you guys, you see these body lotions I just showed you. This body, I can't hold everything. You see these body lotions I just showed you, right? All these body lotions are dry girl friendly, dry skin friendly. You guys, get your hands on any of this body lotion and thank me later. Once you're using any of this body lotion, you will not need to use any body oil. Trust me, okay? And ensure that if you're using any of this exfoliating body lotion that I just showed you, ensure you use a sunscreen during the day, okay? And make sure to pair it up with a very beautiful body soap or body bath wash, okay? For me, I used this Kojisan. I used this Kojisan when I was using it, but please don't use it every day of the week. You can use it like 3 times a week, which is very okay, okay? Don't use it like every day of the week. So I just hope that you guys will lay your hands on any of these body lotions. You know you have dry skin, make sure to lay your hands on any of this body lotion I just showed you, and you will thank me later, and you will thank your skin later. Let me know in the comment section if you have used any of this body lotion before and what was your experience while using it. Did you get satisfied? Did it smoothen out your skin? Did it moisturize your skin enough? Let us know in the comment section, okay? And if you know you have any body lotion, any skincare product you want me to review for you, let me know in the comment section and I'll do that for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Stay glowing.